pretty cool. Oh, okay, there you go. That's what I wanted. Hey, beautiful. So in today's video, I am in a new state, new area. We are currently here in Texas with my family, with my mom and my grandma and my siblings. So my grandma needed us, so we got in a car, came out here, and we're gonna be out here for quite some time. So everything that we were doing back at home in Utah, we're gonna be doing here. I brought everything, the equipment, so that we wouldn't miss out on any uploads. I know today's the 3rd, and so I missed 2 uploads, so I will try to throw in lives in there. I'm gonna get my mom to cook with me, my grandma to cook with me, and just pretty much just soak in everything that I can while we're here, make memories with my grandma, all that. And I wanted you guys to come along, but let's play with makeup. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Ultimate Utopia. I found this one at Walmart. The big one has not been delivered to my house yet because I ordered it at Ulta, so it'll be there when we get back home. But here are the colors, so pretty. You guys already know I love colors like that because of my birthstone, my mama's. So yeah, my mom's a Taurus and I am a Leo, so I always gravitate to like those beautiful colors.
And I'm dark.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to apply it in my crease and then blend out. Oh my gosh, that just like so pretty, you guys. Just gonna blend it all over. I gotta try to look really cute for my grandma. She's out at an appointment right now, so I want her to come back home and see me all did up. My grandma's really old school. She like gets up really early and get ready. There's no excuses to not be ready. So she fed me. My mom and my grandma fed me.
You're talking about grandma. Grandma. She's on it today. She'll start peeling potatoes so I can feed the kids. So
I know I was gonna go back to bed.
But me, I woke up, right?
No, Rudy was gonna watch her, but then he was like, babe, get up. He's like, remember you said it's not the time to be lazy out here? And I was like, fine.
It's the time to be lazy.
No, because then we're gonna go back home and we're gonna be like, we should have did this. I shouldn't have been sleeping. Like, it's true, I can sleep in over there. But here.
Grandma too, she was like, may I bring my phone?
Yeah,
Can you bring it? Can you bring it? Thank you, my puppy.
I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, that underneath, like that. All right, I want to go in with this like really, look at this pretty like purple blue, and I'm just going to just pat it right here, just very slowly, like that. Oh, that's pretty.
Okay.
It like mixes in there, like those two. I still gotta blend
though.
But it's a purple and like kind of like a blue. Now I'm gonna go in with the color pop Pretty Fresh, and I'm going to use my artist brush round 4 to cut the crease. All right, and now I'm going to go in with this green. I really like that green, but I want to go in with this kind of like goldish green right here. Oh, that's just like foil on the lid.
How great!
Right? It's just like foil. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so I put on my e.l.f. tape, and now I'm going to go in and blend some more of that blue in there.
Baby Jane.
See, like that. So now I'm gonna go in with my Salon Perfect Pre-Permed Push-Up 672 lashes. So here is the lashes with the look. They're still drying, but super cute. All right, loves, now we're gonna move on to my face. I'm pretty excited because I want to try this new product, and my mom's in the room, so I want her to see it too. Hold on. So I want to use this brush. It's called the Flawless brush. It's everywhere, and it feels super duper soft, you guys. Like, mira, look, it's so soft. You want to feel it, Mom?
Yeah, but this is, you said Flawless.
Nice. I'm gonna go in with the baby skin, and now this blurs out your pores. So you guys see how like I'm oily here. I'm gonna put it on here, and then my nose. It's going to blur out my pores and matte me out. You guys see? So let's go in.
Good.
Yeah?
I think your makeup is so
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Stop. Just kidding. So now I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Colors 120 Light Medium. I'm so glad I brought this one because we're in Texas and the heat is hot. So this is a really nice matte foundation. So now I'm gonna go in with this and I'm just going to apply it on my face, and we're gonna see how well this works. It says our face is supposed to look flawless. So here we go. And then we're just going to work it in.
Do you use this or this is new?
No, this is new. They sent it. I don't, well, so far it feels pretty good. Like it's like getting on there. And like I love how it's gonna be able to bring it down. Bring it around time.
Mira que lo mire, pero no me está mirando.
This works pretty cool. Like not a lot of product is left on, but I guess I'm not like wowed. I was like expecting, I don't know, I guess like magic, just how like, I don't know, like look at even me pouncing it on, like it's not really grabbing that much, which is pretty cool. Oh shit, okay, there you go. There's my damn, there's, that's what I wanted. That's what okay, that's what you should do. Don't go like this, I mean go like this and then do it, because then you'll be like, oh my god. Dang, okay. All right, it's cool, I take back what I said. Okay, that's cool. You're wearing a mask. I was, that was a real reaction, guys.
Like a stamp of approval.
That's gonna be the intro. Damn. Wow, look you guys, and it's not even dirty. Look at that. That is so cool. It's not even dirty. I am gonna add more coverage here because I'm a full coverage kind of girl. Like I like how that looks, you guys. Look, I'm like really patting. Mira, nada. That is so cool, but it still picks up some. You guys see that? I like that. Okay.
Oh, okay, I get what you mean.
What?
Even though you're tapping.
Yeah, look. I'm tapping, tapping. You can't see it. See? Look at that.
I do the stamp.
Okay, there you go. You know what, Mom? No. No. All right, now I'm going to go in with my Benefit Boing concealer, and we're just going to just add some of that right here. I'm already running out of this stuff, you guys. I feel like I've been going through my concealers like crazy.
You use concealer a lot.
Yeah, I like to conceal, going through it like nuts. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my ColourPop one. So it took me to come out all the way out to Texas to try out my new Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer. So I'm gonna go in with these. These are new. Look, here's the packaging. It's freaking nice, right?
That's a mirror right there.
Yeah, and here it is. Look at that color. Ooh. So I got, it's to contour. So now I'm gonna go in with, this one is Teddy, and we are going to contour. I'm excited to try this, you guys. Everyone keeps saying they go on like butter, they blend like a dream. So let's see, do they? So I'm just going to just contour.
I'll be back, Mom. I'm gonna go get me a hot dog.
Okay.
You want anything in the kitchen?
Dr. Pepper. Boom! I got some baby booty in my face, but that's okay. So, so now we're just going to blend the concealer. With the blend, FAMBAM have been asking me how I like to blend my concealer. Like just like hurry up and swipe. So I'm just going to talk over this part because where I speed it up, FAMBAM think I really like just boom, 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 like really fast. But that's just because I speed it up. So with the blending, your concealer should just be able just to blend in just like that. Just like very nice, boom. If you're having trouble with your concealer and it's a little bit too hard, I would recommend going in with a different concealer. Use something else. When you're applying makeup, everything should just melt into your face and it should not be hard to blend anything, you know? So if you're having that problem, just make sure, just try different products. Boom, you see? I'm excited to see how this is going to, the contour is going to go. But I want to try a new brush. I'm going to go with the Alori Smooth Canvas. I've been wanting to try this out for so long. I got one. Oh, thank you. I've been wanting to try this out for so long. Thank you both for sending it to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So here is the brush, and the way Alo just does this, she just blends it like magic. Like look at that. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Blended, okay? And then here, oh my goodness, you guys, I can see all why there's so much hype around this brush. It is so good. Look at that. You just literally just glide and it's like blended. Glide. Excuse a little bit of my breakouts right there. It's because of the mask. Look at that. Butter. See on the nose. Nice. You did amazing, girl. I'm gonna tell you that because you already know. Thank you again. That is amazing. I love it. That went on like a dream. So I'm just going to just blend this. I'm gonna try the other cream contour product because I want to see how that one, but that blended in beautifully. So here is the other one. This one is macchiato, and this is going to bring warmth. This one is going to probably be my nose contour. Do you see how light it is? That one is probably going to be great for my nose contour. I like using like a light nose contour for days where I want something quick and I don't want to make any errors. So I'm going to go back in with the canvas and blend that in there. Look at that, you guys. I just blended it like a dream. It's just like literally just kissing my cheek and it's blending. So good. Now I'm gonna go in with my favorite powder. You guys already know, the Too Faced Peach Perfect in Translucent. I brought a new one because I already finished it. I like taking this off because I don't really need it, and where this is so finely milled, it doesn't make a lot of mess. You know how sometimes if you don't put the top back on, it makes a lot of mess? No, all you have to do is just work it and it goes right back down, which I really like. I'm just going to just apply this underneath. And I'm gonna relax my forehead before I set it, or it's gonna look like a bunch of crease, like like my forehead where I had it all wrinkly, you know? And there's Daddy, and there's baby Jade. I really had like a what the f moment when I used this. Like it was so cool. My mom was laughing because it was like a real reaction, you know? I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty. This one is Private Island, and we're going to go in with this one, which is Winged Complexion. We are going to add some of the product on here. Oh my goodness, you guys, this just like really cups right there, and then wing it out. Oh hell yeah. Let's see. Nice. Same way over here. I love it, and these brushes are so soft. I love it. They didn't just put out like, oh whatever, you know, and slap their name on it. They put out good shit. Hell yeah. That one, amazing. Now I'm gonna go in with the Lush brush.
I was just saying so I could pull the car in and clean it.
Oh yeah, you'll have time.
You think so?
Yeah. Look at this, you guys.
Why? How long?
Oh my goodness. She's gonna be open in a while, so she's gonna be back later. So look at this. Oh, let's go in. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
It feels so good. Can I put it on your face?
Amazing.
So amazing. It just feels so good. Like it's just like kitten paws. You ever touch like a little kitty and their little paws? Oh, it feels just like that. So I'm just gonna make sure that everything is all over on my face, all the powder. Now I'm gonna go in with blush. I'm gonna go in with, isn't it Peachy from Makeup Obsession? And I'm going to use Hint and Bloom. You need to make some blush. I know you can use blushes with those ones, but I bet you anything if they make some blush brushes, ooh, they'll kill it. Man.
Are you dressed? Just kidding.
This is a new product. I found it before we left. We have it's a Smiths. I don't know if everyone has Smiths, but they had cookie products. I say cookie, but you guys always come for me when I say that, but it's cookie products. Cookie.
Yeah.
You know. And this is a soft glow highlighter, and this one is in Heavenly. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, look at that.
That's pretty.
Right?
Shimmery?
Yeah. It's a highlighter, but look.
But where do you put it?
Right here above your cheeks.
Cheekbones? Okay. Then that's the one I have too.
So it looks like you're glowing for the gloves. Globs. So I'm gonna go in with a brightening brush from Alamar. And I'm just going to just tap over my cheekbones. I see. And it's like not too much, it's just like enough, you know? Okay, you guys, look at this. Is a new collection. Woo! Look at from Pinky Rose. They sent, look how cute their packaging is. That's cute, huh? It's eye pencils. Yeah, this is I like how this one says reggaeton. Ooh. Look how cute, you guys. these are. They are so stinking cute. So babe said I had to pack light, but yeah, you guys already know. I was like, I haven't used these, so I'm gonna take them. They sent me all of them, you guys, so thank you so much to Pinky Rose. So we're gonna pop a color underneath, and I kind of want to use Disco. I think Disco. The color of the box is the color of the pencil, and this one is Disco. Super cute. You guys already know I'm gonna save the packaging. Oh, look at this.
Oh, how pretty!
Right? See, look. Oh, dang! Did you guys see that? Look, watch.
Real light. I don't know.
Yeah, like it just like went on. Like, look how pretty. Like, look at that. That just went glided on. Damn. Okay. So we're gonna use this one. So this is a primer base sticks. How to apply: use your favorite base stick on your eyelid and bottom lash line. Use your favorite blending brush to buff it out. Apply your favorite eyeshadow, then boom. You will see a bold, vibrant, but I'm just gonna use this alone. So I'm just going to add this here. I'm naked. Just kidding. Oh, it's Ray. I'm just kidding, Ray.
What?
I'm gonna add that there.
You ready? Take a shower? No, Mom.
Oh my gosh. And here they are. Here's this one swatched. I bet. Look how pretty that is.
You like me.
Look at her. Oh, dude, so cute.
Okay. Me like cat.
Yeah, me too. So now I'm going to go in with this color again right here using a Makeup Shack T2. And we're just gonna blend that like right underneath that. So I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay setting spray. And I'm just going to pat the rest in so everything locks in, because we are in Texas heat.
Mom, I don't know how you're gonna survive with makeup on.
So I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop lip pencil, and this one is BFF3. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the new Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. I grabbed all the shades, so I will be showing you guys in an upcoming video. This one is Cocoa 270. Ooh, it smells so good.
Yo, have you seen my wallet?
I
just realized no, I don't have my wallet. Where?
In the car?
Where's your keys at?
Ask Rudy. Rudy has them. I mean, in your guys' is pendejo estúpido. See, in Mariah's car. Dang, that is pigmented. Alright, loves, so this is the finished look. I feel so freaking good. I love how everything came out. I'm really impressed with like how well this was. These two colors are very, I only used 3 of the colors pretty much in here, but I'll definitely be playing with it some more. I really love the Maybelline matte lip on my lip. So pretty. The Fenty Beauty bronzers, the cream bronzers, amazing. The new brush, amazing. The Alori collection, amazing. Everything was just beautiful. So I brought a lot of new makeup, you guys. I'm gonna be playing with new makeup. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updating my videos. Make sure to check out my vlog channel, since I will be posting a lot on there since we are currently in Texas right now. So make sure to check that out. I love you guys. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.